In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install JIRA Data Center on your computer, step by step. Whether you're setting it up for personal use or for your team's projects, this guide will take you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to google.com. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Download JIRA Software. Press Enter, and you should see a list of search results appear before you. From these results, look for the one that directs you to download the JIRA Data Center specifically. This version is optimal for larger teams or intricate projects that might need a little more power and flexibility than some alternatives. Upon reaching the JIRA Data Center download page, you'll want to scroll a bit until you spot the option to check out their download archive. Click on this to proceed. This section contains various versions of the software, but for our purposes today, we'll want to select and download the latest version of JIRA. By clicking Download the latest, you ensure that you have the most up-to-date features and security enhancements JIRA offers. With your selection made, go ahead and click Get Started. This will guide you through preliminary setup choices such as selecting the right operating system for your installation. The options typically range across major platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux, so make sure you choose the one that matches your current system. Next comes the legal part. Read through the license agreement if you wish and then click Agree. It's always a good idea to be aware of what you're accepting, but for now we'll keep it straightforward. After agreeing to the terms, hit Submit, and you're almost ready to start with the actual installation process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder or wherever you've set files to download in your browser's settings, find this file, and double-click to run the installer. Installation processes can vary slightly depending on your operating system, so if you run into any confusion or have questions specific to installation steps, don't worry. We've got you covered with JIRA's handy installation guide. Once the installer is running, you'll find an option to peruse this guide. Referencing the installation guide can help clear up any uncertainties you might have about configurations or settings specific to your needs. With these resources at your fingertips, setting up JIRA Data Center is not only manageable, but can actually be a smooth and straightforward process. That concludes our tutorial for today. To fully utilize JIRA's capabilities, I encourage exploring additional resources and tutorials that dive deeper into its functionalities and tools. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.